Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a website to your home screen on iPhone. And for this, first of all, you need to find a website that you want to add. So let's say we want to know something about crypto. So we search for information crypto, something like this. Now we see many sites, so let's see the digital Petunia. Let's go to that website. And right now you see this website right here. But we want to add this website on our home screen. So what we need to do now is click here on the share button, scroll down and click here on add to home screen. Right now we call this digital Petunia and right now click on add. Now you see here the icon with the D, and right now if you click here on the icon with the D, we go to digital Petunia. So this exactly in 1 minute how you can add a website on your home screen, and hopefully I could help you out. For now, thanks for watching, have a wonderful day and ciao.